In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify store's email notifications. This is a crucial aspect of creating a seamless experience for your customers by ensuring that your email communications are on brand and informative. So let's get started. First, make your way over to the Shopify admin panel by logging into your account. Once you're on the home page of your store's dashboard, move your cursor over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find all the necessary navigational tabs. From here, we want to zero in on the Settings tab, which is usually located near the bottom of the list. Go ahead and click it. Clicking Settings will reveal a variety of options tailored to various aspects of your store. Our focus today is on notifications, so select Notifications from this list. The Notifications area is where you control the communication that goes out to your customers, and it's integral to maintaining engagement and clarity with them. As you enter the Notifications section, you'll notice several subcategories and options. Here, we're particularly interested in the Customer Notifications section. Clicking on this will lead you to a more detailed list of notifications specifically sent to customers about their orders. Select Customer Notifications to dive deeper. Now that you're in the Customer Notifications area, you'll see different types of notifications that Shopify automatically sends to your customers. Among these options, there's one titled Order Confirmation. This is what customers receive immediately after placing an order, and customizing these is crucial for reinforcing your brand's identity and ensuring the message is aligned with your store's voice. Click on Order Confirmation. Once you're in the Order Confirmation section, take a moment to explore and understand the existing template. This template is the default email text that Shopify uses, and from here you can add personal touches to make sure it aligns with your branding. To start customizing, look for the Customize Email Templates option, which should be clearly displayed. Click on it to enter the editing mode. In this editing environment, you can tailor the template to reflect your brand's tone and style. For instance, consider adding a personalized thank you message, your company's branding elements like logos or specific colors, and other valuable information your customers might need. Remember, clarity and consistency are key, so make sure your edits don't confuse or overwhelm your customers. Once you've made your desired tweaks, be sure to save the changes before exiting. This ensures that the next time a customer places an order, they receive the updated version of your order confirmation email. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your store's email notifications in Shopify. With these adjustments in place, your communications will not only be more customized to your brand, but also provide a better experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!